Hello everyone! こんにちは! I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we're going to make red bean rice onigiri. Sekihan Onigiri in Japanese. Have you ever eaten red bean rice? If yes, please tell me where and what situation it was. Because in Japan, we eat red bean rice for celebrating, like passing the exam, entering the new schools, or annual sports festival. So we don't eat red beans every day in Japan. And sekihan, red bean rice, it's made of glutinous rice. So it has a very chunky and chewy texture. And today, I'll introduce my style red bean rice onigiri. And here are my helpers. Mario in the basket and Luigi in front of me. And aside with red bean rice onigiri, I also introduce Harusame Salad. And during this video, I introduce useful techniques and cooking ideas. So please watch in detail and until the end. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. So the red bean rice onigiri and Japanese meal set are ready. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. I'll sip the soup first. This is my favorite miso soup with clams. Now red bean rice onigiri. Since it's glutinous rice, so I don't need to wrap the nori seaweed. The contrast of red beans and glutinous rice is so nice. Glutinous rice has very unique texture, so I like it. So chewy, mochi mochi. Definitely the flavor from the red beans and texture of glutinous rice is good combination. And now look at the color. It's really unique. Let's try Harusame Salad. And the sauce has sweet and also sour, so it's a good combination. And cucumber has a fresh texture. ごちそうさまでした. Here are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: to make the red bean rice very red color, please pour water, not too much. Leftover soup, 200 ml, sharp, will be the best. And tip: if you need more saltiness for the onigiri, you can sprinkle salt. And also, ajishio. In Japan, you can buy ajishio. It's a mixture of salt and black sesame already in a one bottle, so it might be good to use it. And tip: when you make harusame salad, please soak the grass noodles in water in advance and squeeze. And usually the noodles are very long, so I recommend to cut with using scissors so that it's easy to eat. And tip: and I used processed ham today, but if you want more natural ingredients, please skip ham and please substitute other vegetables and add salt, a lot of it. So those are the tips and recommendations. How was the video today? I hope these recipes will help you to plan daily meals. Before watching another videos, don't forget to like the button down below. If you watch my video for the first time, please subscribe my channel. I introduce Japanese home cooking, including baby meals and kids meals. So please stay tuned. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!